Hello everyone, it's me Pantaros, and today we're gonna take a look at a custom card deck that my friend made for me. I'll link his channel in the description and pin comment, so please make sure to check him out and show him some love. Let's check the deck now. I already have the link pasted, but I haven't taken a look at them. Snowfield. You can see it's the art is really good. It's like a snowy rocky mountains with a cave made out of rock, and the fire is inside. And you can see here a person here with a long staff. It's a continuous spell card, and the effect is once per turn you can discard 2 cards, add 1 Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit from your graveyard to your hand. The activation and effect of Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit cannot be negated. So, this card is very good if you want to get rid out of your garnets that you have in your hand and add a hand trap, specifically Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit, and it also cannot be negated. So I think it's a very great card to use if you need a Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit in your hand. Second one, Advanced Undead Synchronized Art. ER is a hand reaching out from the grave. You can also see some dead trees here. The effect: synchro summon 1 zombie synchro monster from your extra deck using monsters from your hand or deck as a synchro material. If a zombie synchro monster would be destroyed by battle or card effect, you can banish this card from your graveyard instead. So it will make it easier to synchro summon a zombie monster since it uses the card in your deck. But I already think that this card would be broken in zombie decks since you essentially use you essentially set up your graveyard while getting a zombie synchro monster in your field. Yeah, this card is very broken, if I should say myself, and it doesn't lock you out from summoning other monster. The third one, Stench of Death. We can see here the zombie reaching out from a hole, and the hands looks like it's going to grab you. The effect: inflict damage to your opponent equal to the combined levels or ranks or link ratings of all zombie monsters you control. If you control 3 or more zombie monsters when this card is activated, this card's activation cannot be negated. Oh. This is a good card to burn your opponent since I know zombie likes to use high level monsters like Eldritch or Zombie Net Ice Zombie Necro Dragon, even if that still sees play. But yeah, this is also broken since if you do not kill your opponent in your battle phase, somehow you can just use this card to burn your opponent for game. The fourth one, Volmire. The art is a crooked tree with dead branches, and then a human standing over it, some flames. The effect: when a spell or trap card or monster effect is activated while you control a zombie synchro monster, negate the activation, and if you do, destroy that card. If all monsters you control are zombie monsters, minimal 1, you can activate this card from your hand. This card is also broken since it can be used from your hand, which is the best way to use trap cards, and on top of that, it is a counter trap, meaning your opponent cannot chain to this card activation except they use another counter trap. Yeah. This card is also broken. Well, if you use zombie synchro on top of that. Fifth card, Call from Beyond. You see a girl playing a pipe. I forgot what this is called in English. The effect. Pay 4,000 life points, special summon 1 zombie tuner monster from your deck and 1 zombie synchro monster from your extra deck, ignoring its summon conditions. I think this card essentially makes you pay half of your life points if you still have 8,000 life points when you play this card. And the effect to special summon a zombie tuner and a zombie synchro monster deck without having restrictions like destroying them in the end phase or returning them to the extra deck is pretty bonkers. You can just climb this, use those two to make Kriston and then special summon another tuner like Effect Failure and then use them to make Celine and then use Celine's effect to summon Failure and then go into Access Code Talker and then just OTK your opponent with it. 6 card Ghost Spirit Oni and Ghost Hair. A zombie monster, a zombie synchro monster with the art of a lady, I assume, with a tall neck and a long hair. The foot is disorganized. I see that it bears a long katana. Zombie synchro effect, attack 2000, 2700 and 0 defense. Level 7. The material are Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit, plus 1 non-tuner zombie monsters. During the main phase, quick effect. You can special summon 1 zombie monster with 0 depth and from your graveyard in this defense position. Monsters summoned this way cannot be targeted by your opponent card effects. It's essentially it gives your zombie monsters that have 0 defense, which I think there's a lot of card effect immunity. It's broken, but it's not too broken to be considered bonkers. And the second card, Ghost Oni and Gaze Caller. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Level 9. Synchro monsters. The art is a dude, I think, with a very, very royal-like clothes and a long hair. Zombie synchro effect. Attack 3200 with 0 defense. The materials are Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit, plus 1 or more non-tuner monsters. A generic one, I see. During the main phase, quick effect. You can special summon 1 zombie monsters from your graveyard, then you can immediately after this effect resolve, synchro summon 1 zombie synchro monsters using only zombie monsters you control. So this card, I think this card is pretty okay if you want to use it in your deck, since it is not too broken. But it lacks a once per turn, so you can just loop it and essentially climb into higher level synchro monsters. The third one, Demon Oni and Haunted Spectre. Level 12, attack 3500 and 0 defense. Ghost Ogre Snow Rabbit plus 1 zombie synchro monster. So you use Ghost Oni and then climb into this one. That's the intended combo. The effects are zombie monsters you control are unaffected by your opponent's card effects. So you cannot banish them or return them to the graveyard or return them to the deck. Once per turn during either player's turn, quick effect. You can special summon 1 zombie monsters and 1 zombie synchro monsters from your graveyard. So it goes plus 2 in card advantage without any cost. But I guess it's okay since it is a level 12 synchro monster with specific tuner. Yeah, So I think that it is all of it since there's only 8. But looking at the art, I really know that he worked hard for it. The artwork is very nice. Please guys check him out on the YouTube and show him some love. And I think that's all for me from today, and I see you next time. Bye bye.